kular hakani kasni. Mangantray hok yaki kamjong. Hado.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kocongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Kijaj bin Rio Naga ki basong basa hanong ba Shillong kila pini ki jing Italy kum ko kijaj bin Rio bad haka khalai tri ujleo araja apun Rio kila mi padba pan pelong ki jing Thang Mombati Sngewlem hakandai la Shillong naga benta ki Henry Ngut kijaj bin Rio Naga ki bala Shah Pynïap hadim bala kano bikla Shah rabor haki leno kuki haga jala Manipur yang ini kejalang Thang Mombati Sngewlem la pelong daga Naga Elders Forum Shillong bad ki Henry Ngut ki bala Shah Pynïap ki de bala tip kerteng PR Ken Pibo u Reverend Manu u Penron Wibo u Penrilin Bo u Dilip bad u Kali Wang O kumban chupen tip hangni ya kemet jok ki Henry Ngut ki jai bin Rio Naga lalap Naga Shnong Kharam Vaipai Village kabaham hapo Kang Pokpi District jong kejala Manipur hadin arsa kunta bagi pulit ringkat bagi jinga Thailand bagi pulit CRPF bagi sipai Assam Rifle kila waji ki di bala Shah rabor kinong ilam ke Naga Elders Forum Shillong kila dawai ke sarkar India bai ke sarkar Manipur ban kemardor ki badan kiti bat pendamru ye ki badan kiti man dekat jubor ye ke jing em jogi Henry Ngut ki jai bin Rio Naga
2026. Their lives were inhumanly truncated. Peace can never be at the expense or at the cost of slaughtering, dehumanizing, kidnapping, abduction, or harassing the innocent civilians. The Federation vehemently condemns this heinous crime inflicted upon the 6 innocent Naga civilians. They have lost their lives in a very trying time. And the authorities concerned must immediately hold all people responsible accountable for this act. Today, the Naga Students Federation would like to tell to the world that this kind of atrocities inflicted upon the innocent Naga civilians or to any human race requires and deserves universal denouncement and condemnation. Wherever we are and whoever we may be, the killing of innocent lives can never be welcomed in our society.
Comfort them. We are here today with the families. The Naga Elders Forum represents not only just the Nagas. Here we call it in Nagaland, but from Manipur, Arunachal, Assam, and many parts of the country, even from Myanmar. We are here today to grieve, and also we are here to condemn the killing of these innocent victims. We want to appeal to the government of India as we submit our memorandum to the government, to the Honorable Union Home Minister, to the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, through the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We want to say that we are condemning the killing of these unarmed Liang Mai Naga civilians and appeal for justice and restorations of peace in Manipur. As we are here, most respectfully, we want to earnestly request the government to take immediate steps to restore peace and normalcy in the affected areas in Manipur and to ensure swift and impartial justice to the bereaved families by bringing all perpetrators and accomplices to account under the due process of the law. We trust that the timely intervention of the government will surely uphold the rules of law and send a strong message that such act of violence shall not go unaddressed in future. I want to encourage every one of us who are present here today, this evening, as we are one. We have been one always. And today, your presence coming here shows you may be not Nagas, but you are a peace-loving person that you have gathered here this evening. We want to encourage you. Anywhere you go, wherever you go, be the channel of peace. Let there be no more killing. Let there be no more killing of innocents, children, women, men, as we see here. Let there be no more. This is our earnest request, and as we gather, we continue to pray for the families that are going through this terrible time. We pray that God will give them comfort from above. This is our prayer, and we want to thank you for being part of this evening's memorial.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.